This evening on Client's Garage, we're working on a 1959 Ford Powermaster 801 series tractor. I drained the hydraulic fluid in it, and it was a little bit milky. There's some buildup on the bottom of the drain plug. I'd planned on pulling the inspection port anyway, and once I opened the inspection port and reached down inside, you could see the amount of buildup. That's in the bottom of the hydraulic reservoir in the casting. So if I would have just replaced the fluid, the detergents in the new oil would have broken all this down and would have sent it through the hydraulic system. So as always, pull the oil pan, clean it out, pull the inspection covers, thoroughly clean it out. If you don't, it's gonna send all the junk that's in there through the system. You're gonna have a lot more problems. So buy the $1.50 gasket for the inspection port. Take the extra hour, thoroughly clean it out, and you'll have a trouble-free system. As always, have fun, stay safe.